Powers BMX Museum. We're here opening up a new donated item. There's not a vacuum. Some Etnies. What are these guys? Oh, they autographed. Brand new. Some king cranks with some Odyssey Galaxy pedals. Those are pretty rare. They almost look new. Those are probably not for the museum. Those might be listed on the site later. Woo! Chris Doyle signed Anthem seat. How sick is that? Used merit seat. Caroline Buchanan number plate, autographed. Sick.
Aussie, Aussie, Aussie.
Woo! Whoops. Something else in here? Sick. Anthem video VHS cover signed. Before we get to this guy. Oh, S&M Racing Stem. So this is a letter from Chris Doyle. And one of his Mudrunner frames, ridden by Chris Doyle. This did not come from Chris Doyle though. This came from my buddy Matt. He's supposed to be having my face tattooed on him very soon, so hopefully that'll happen quickly and we can do another video about my tattoo on his butt. Thanks.
Yeah.